If the AI provides the answer, you're the passenger. If AI provides the perspective, you are the pilot. It shows whether you are driven by the ego's desire for ease or the spirit's hunger for growth. Unfortunately, it's all a big, beautiful lie. Inside of every being, there's this endless supply of energy. Thanks for tuning in. Just in case you want to use AI, what exactly is your expectation? Do you want AI to help, or do you want it to do the heavy lifting and the delivery too? Would you prefer not doing anything, just let AI do the task? That seems like the perfect fantasy. Technology does everything for you, so you can do whatever you want, but not anything related to what is needed. Here comes a quick reminder. If the AI provides the answer, you're the passenger. If AI provides the perspective, you are the pilot. The way you choose to use a tool like AI is the direct reflection of your internal state. It shows whether you are driven by the ego's desire for ease or the spirit's hunger for growth. If your internal status is one of avoidance or laziness, you will use AI to bypass thinking. Only if your internal status is one of curiosity and growth, you can use AI to expand your reach. In that sense, you should be aware of what your destination is. Maybe you are a student and you just want to have your homework done. Maybe you are in a rush and you have to do it very quickly because the deadline already is hanging over your head like a well-sharpened blade. That is definitely not a good starting point. Do you know these kind of people who watch YouTube videos, videos who proclaim that when you watch them, you get very rich, very quick? They promise there's no effort involved. All is very easy. And what they are actually seem to offer is instant satisfaction for free. But those are all empty promises. They are just telling you a fake story with a happy ending. No effort, just easy money flowing into your life. And then they proclaim that money gives you the most incredible, perfect life, all you could ever wish for. Unfortunately, it's all a big, beautiful lie. Real effortless doing comes from an intrinsic realization, not by doing anything what others tell you to do. It is created from the inside out. When that happens, everything you do does not feel like a real effort. Even if in the eyes of others, it does very much look like huge effort. You yourself are also able to do huge efforts when you connect with your true nature. Inside of every being, there's this endless supply of energy. It is important for you to find out how to tap into that, the real power that fuels your being. The real power is your real self. That is what nurtures all of your activities. Once you connect with this, this fountain of life, there are no real obstacles. It's all a game, and you enjoy every level of it because the drive you have is not fueled by your ego or your mind. It is God-giving energy that leads you all the way. But maybe I digress because you are in a hurry. The deadline, that would be the moment you should calm down and relax. Let's face it. If you might already be past the deadline. Now you have to weigh your options. For a start, you should not be in this kind of situation. Excessive procrastination causes such circumstances. Just face it. When it's too late it is. If you have created the cause, then you might have to live with the effect. That is nature's law. Thankfully, now you can be happy. This inspirational talk allows you to create better causes for greater positive outcomes in your life. Let me offer you some, just for your inspiration. Before you use any kind of technology or tool, in this case AI, make sure you have the right intention. A good intention for you would serve the purpose of reaching the intended goal through the use of AI if necessary. It is different if you just want to get rid of your homework from an intention to really improve your understanding. The best case scenario should be aligned with the purpose of learning something new in your life. Keep the goal in mind. The goal is the learning. Maybe it generally serves you to create a good life when you develop the skill of critical thinking. Maybe you should desire to improve your ability to understand complex concepts. When it comes to homework, it is not so much about the form that the homework takes, but the learning that could be achieved by pondering over such opportunities to grow your understanding. If you do not get this right in the beginning, it causes you to be unable to achieve your goals. Before tackling the task with whatever tool is at hand, be very clear about what you are trying to achieve. It is possible that you are confused. If you just want a good grade or avoid any kind of effort, then your intentions are not helpful because they lead you to the wrong outcome of your endeavor. If you want to learn anything, you may have to make an effort to learn, not just get things done in time, or doing it just to please the expectation of someone else. If school, for example, does not really interest you, why do you keep going to school? Are you looking for a way out of school to do whatever you like? If that would be the case, then you should make this the goal, the main effort that you are focusing on. Only because society or family or friends want you to go, it doesn't mean that you are convinced to go to school. You should become clear about your own motivation. But most probably you already decided you want to go to school. So it is crucial you make the best out of it. Work with the circumstances, not against them. Your friends and family know what is good for you. At least they pretend to do. But they are not you. They cannot know what is your real motivation. You should ask yourself what you want to do in life. Sometimes it helps to sit down and just do nothing. Maybe you lose focus, you daydream, get lost in a book or a movie. But if you already have decided that there is value in what you are doing right now, then you should make the right effort to get to where you want to go. Do not overwhelm yourself. It is mainly about the little steps. Even on the longest path, you still have to make the first steps to get on the way. And when something feels too difficult, that is when AI can help you to chop it into little pieces and then go from there. Always remember, the machines do not feel for you. You have to feel confident yourself that you can do it. Don't swallow the whole cake in one piece. When you achieve little steps forward, you already harvest the good feeling of having achieved something. That will fuel your motivation to go forward. Family, friends, or your teacher, they have feelings for you. Do not reject them, but let them help you. Humans have walked the path already. You could profit from their experience. Maybe they already reached the goal you are looking for. You do not have to start from scratch. They will help you if you accept. Your ego, the ego might immediately suggest that you know better yourself. This is a little trap. A little trap we all have to learn from. We have to overcome the false perception that we know everything better than everyone else. Our mind suggests that we already know. That is our ego talking. You yourself can and should choose what you would like to do in life. When you like something, it feels good. That is an indication that it is something that is in your favor. By observing your feelings related to what is happening in your life, you are enabled to choose your next little step. If there is a goal in life that excites you, go for it. If you later find out that there's something else that excites you more, then you are still able to change directions. But your excitement is what fuels your ability to generate effort in your life. Once you found the right goal, there is no one who could stop you, ever. That is the kind of energy you want to look for. Divine energy is like water. It takes the path of least resistance. It doesn't use force, but nature, in the case of water, is just using gravity. Your gravity that naturally leads you to achieve anything is your excitement related to your personal goals. Find out about what goals those are. If you have clarity about that, then you will have access to all the energy needed. Place your desires to the feet of the Lord. He will take care of everything, and your excitement will show you the way. Follow your bliss. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.